Today we are here to show you and show you how you're supposed to solve no crank no start. This car is a Jaguar 203 model S type, 3.5 liters V6. So today we are going to see the complaint of the customer. Customer has complained that the car has been disturbing him whatever and there. So he sent it to shop. They have been doing it and the problem cannot solve. He take it to another shop, the same problem. He take it to another shop. So this is the fourth shop in our shop. So now the customer brought this car to us to fix. No cannot start. The car cannot start, and sometimes it starts, sometimes it cannot start. Um, it's not a starter problem. It's an issue. So and today we are come to fix and show you how we pass and solve the problem, which direction we pass. So we are coming to confirm customer complaint. Okay, as you can see right now, the key is on. This is the key is on, and you can see as kick, as you can see, and the car cannot crank. So no any alternative to the car to move. So right now we are to confirm customer complaint. So we hook up machine S2's elite pad. We are come to see either you can see any problem over there. So let's go. Okay, now we are going to Europe. Now you can see. So go to Jaguar and the car can direct that for. So let's go to manual. S type 202 203, and that's the car. That's the car. And let's go. We are coming to do auto scan and see. Oh, okay. Now let's go to system selection, and then we see major by major. Okay, let's go to engine. You see, the engine cannot communicate. Transmission, the same thing. You see, so let's go to anti-lock brake system. The same thing, cannot communicate. You say the device failed to communicate with the car ECU. Please confirm whether the ignition is on. Ignition is turned on. Yes, the ignition is turned on. You can see. The ignition is turned on. So that means there's a problem somewhere. And let's go to parking aid. You can see that the parking aid can communicate with the machine. Okay. Let's go to airbag module. Airbag module to can communicate. You can see. Okay. Airlight level leveling system module down to the same thing. Okay, let's go to electronic parking brake. That one is working. So now we are going to see what is the problem, and we cannot communicate with the engine control module, transmission, anti-lock brake system. So already we have it there. I will take you there and we continue towards there. Okay, because now the car cannot start, cannot do anything, and we show you whether you can solve the problem for the customer, and I hope the problem will solve. So you bring you back. So you can see that already we dismantle the system to work on it and verify where the problem is. As you can see, we remove the front bumper, the front air lights, the front air lights. That's the Jaguar, that's the engine. You can see, you can see that this is a Jaguar. And even if you can see towards here, you can see the work where we are doing. We are now coming to trace the system and verify what the problem is. This is the headlights we have removed. This is the headlight we have removed. So I'll take you to, so you can see, and you are in Abib Auto Diagnosis Center. As you can see, this is Abib Auto Diagnosis Center. So we bring you back.